In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel one item on Temu. If you recently placed an order on Temu and changed your mind about one of the items, don't worry, because the platform gives you the option to cancel eligible orders before they're shipped. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of locating your order and understanding when an item can still be canceled directly from your account. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Temu website. Once the home page loads, sign in to your Temu account using your login details. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to your main account dashboard where you can manage your purchases and account settings. For this example, let's say you already selected a product and added it to your shopping cart. Once your item is in the cart, proceed through the checkout process by reviewing your order details and selecting your preferred payment method. After confirming everything, complete the order submission so the purchase is officially placed in your account. Once your order has been placed, move to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile section. Inside your account menu, locate the area labeled Your Orders. This section contains all your purchases and helps you track their current status. When you open your Orders page, you will notice different categories such as All Orders, Processing, Shipped, Delivered, and Returns. These sections organize your purchases based on their current order stage. To cancel one item successfully, it is very important that the order has not yet been shipped. If the order is still marked as processing, you may still have the option to cancel it directly from your account. However, once the package has already been shipped, the cancellation option is usually no longer available. If your item is still in the processing stage, open the order details and look for the cancellation option connected to that item. Follow the prompts provided on the screen to confirm the cancellation request. After submitting the request, Temu may update the order status and process the cancellation automatically. On the other hand, if the order has already been shipped, you will generally need to wait until the package arrives before starting a return request instead. This is why checking the shipping status quickly is very important if you decide to cancel an item. And that's how you can cancel one item on Temu directly from your account. The process is simple as long as the order has not already been shipped. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.